Despite its attractive pricing, IKEA furniture is mass-produced, which means it lacks originality and character. But there are ways to infuse IKEA pieces with some personality, and they're quite easy. So here are 17 of our favorite IKEA table hacks that are sure to spice up your lacks and your hemnies and your lats. 1. Colorful Kids Table. At $24.99 for the whole set, the Lat Children's Table from IKEA is a steal. But that being said, it's also pretty boring. With just a few paint colors and some craft foam, Courtney created a colorful, comfy place for her daughter to do projects. 2. Barnwood Table. If you've ever spent any time at IKEA, you'll probably know that the Lack End table costs a mere $13.99, so it is the perfect table to use for a hack. This barnwood hack gives the Lack a rustic, sophisticated look, transforming it from basic to beautiful in just a few easy steps. 3. Striped End Table. This project can be adapted for virtually any IKEA table. All it requires is some tape, paint, and a bit of patience to lay out the pattern evenly. But what results is a glamorous metallic end table that would be perfect for the living room. 4. Veneer Stenciled Lack. This clever project utilizes bamboo wood veneer cut into flower shapes to create a graphic look on a pair of lack tables. And if you're not into flowers, you could easily customize this one by using any shape you'd like. 5. Wood Slice End Table. This gorgeous piece walks the line between modern and rustic. And boy, is it pretty or what? All you'll need for this easy IKEA hack is a Marius stool, only $4.99, and a thick slab of wood. 6. Lack Ottomans. These geometric fabric ottomans are actually made from lack tables. Simply buy some foam, fabric, and a set of lack tables and you can make these very same ottomans for your home. And you can also hide unsightly items underneath too. 7. Wooden Laptop Table. This gorgeous rustic laptop table was made from the IKEA Vitsho table, which comes with a plain glass top, but this one was customized using a wooden plank to cover the top surface, and it will cost you less than $60. 8. Lack Storage Box. This storage box began as a couple of regular old lack tables, but with the addition of some wood paneling, it became a multifunctional piece that does double duty as both a table and a storage bin. 9. Wallpapered Stool Table. This is one of those pieces that could be used in more than one way. Yes, the Beckvam could be used for its proper purpose, a step stool, but it's almost too pretty to stand on. It would also make a fantastic bedside table, with plenty of space for a vase of flowers, a book, and your phone. 10. Tall Lack. Is the lack the perfect solution for your bedside? Only a bit too short? Just combine two lacks and your problem is solved. This will not only provide you with extra height, but also an additional shelf too for storage. 11. Mid-century Modern Buffet Table. This buffet was created using the IKEA Besta, believe it or not. The mid-century modern feel was achieved by adding a faux wooden exterior using adhesive contact paper. What a versatile material. 12. Faux Marble Nightstands. Turn any IKEA side table into a chic nightstand in no time. Believe it or not, the marble top is actually created by using adhesive marble look contact paper, and the legs are glammed up by adding metallic spray paint. 13. Cube End Table. This cube was a piece from the Expedit series, but they now carry a similar one in their lack line. This might be the simplest hack of them all. The only thing you need to do is swap out the casters for a new set of legs. 14. Nautical End Table. Here is another easy project, perfect for anyone who likes a bit of a nautical or rustic feel. Just grab one of these and get to work. The end result is a weathered and beautiful end table perfect for any room in the house. 15. IKEA Closet Island Hack. If you have a walk-in closet, this island might be the perfect project for you. Use 3 of the Kallax shelving units to create the base storage section, and then add a slab of granite to create the top surface. 16. Embellished Lack Tables. Add decorative metal corners to any IKEA table to elevate the look. Here, brass corners have been added to lack tables to make them resemble campaign-style dressers. and placing two side by side in front of the sofa allows them to be used as a coffee table, or separated and used as end tables. 17. Marble look dining table. This hack uses adhesive contact paper again, but this time a glass top is added to make it more functional for the excessive use that most dining tables go through in a lifetime.